We got sweet chili Parmesan wings, seasoned up with some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Whoa! Hey guys, it's Rob with the Barbecue Pit Dog Channel. How's it going today? Cheers everybody. Hey, today I'm watching some football. I'm gonna make me some wings. I got some sweet chili Parmesan wings on the menu today. Season them up with some of my Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. That's good stuff. Then I'm gonna sauce them up and then hit them with some of that Parmesan cheese. Whoa, pretty easy. Put a little garlic olive oil on those wings. I season them up with some of the Uncle Steve Shake, and then throw them on my Weber kettle, get them up to 165 degrees. You know how to do that. I mean, come on, everybody makes wings, right? So check these out at the end. Hope you'll hang in there. Okay, hang on. Here we go. All right, I got some garlic infused olive oil here, extra virgin olive oil. Put a little bit on this chicken wings as a binder. Gonna mix it all up here just so my seasoning will stick on there real well. My Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake, best stuff there is out there, buddy. I'm telling you what, you gotta check out Uncle Steve. So I'm gonna hit my wings with some Uncle Steve Shake. And then I got my charcoal. my poor chimney has just about had it, but I got my charcoal lit, throwing it on the grill. Oh man, time to dump it on these chicken wings. Don't need that paper plate now. There we go. Get them spread out there. Get them, offset cooking, away from the heat. Put a little more Gator Shake on there, just in case some of it fell off on the way out here to the grill. Get the lid on there, and it's been about an hour, 1 hour, cooking at around, I don't know if you can see that, like 375-ish. It's went up and down a little bit. Had my bottom vent wide open, top vent about half. That's usually how I cook chicken on this Weber kettle. Look at the collar on that. Those are looking good. And I've been cooking them offset. There's no heat right here. And there's a little bit of heat right there. Woo! So I got my Cajun pit stick here I got from Lew BBQ. I'll definitely leave a link down below and an iCard up there for him. Okay. Just gonna flip these bad boys over here. Put them on that heat to crispen them up a little bit. Then after that, we'll pull them back over off that heat. And then we're going to start saucing them up with that sweet chili sauce. It's going to be good. Now stay with me. It's going to be good. My buddy Phil in Florence taught me that one. Stay with me. Yeah, we're starting to get some color on these things now. Check it out. With my Cajun pit stick. Let go now. There we go. I don't know if you can hear the birds in the background. They're getting happy. Ooh, whoa, watch out now. Quit showing off, Rob. Alright, let's get them off that heat. Get them over here and get ready to sauce them up. And then cheese them up. Okay, you can make your own sweet chili sauce, but I got my favorite store brand. Just gonna pour a little bit here in this cup. There's 1,000 recipes on YouTube if you want to make your own. I don't blame you. This is just like using buffalo sauce or any other kind of sauce. We're just going to put this on here and make them sticky and spicy and delicious. That's right, stay with me. Now the best part's coming up. You can see that sauce is all set. So I'm just going to put some fresh grated Parmesan right on top of these. Hit them with a little bit more of the Gator shake. Then my neighbor decided to run his edger. That's good, he needed to do it anyway. A little more parm. Alright, we're going to let that cheese melt a second, and then I'm going to get a plate. We're going to check them out, see how they are. Alright, I got the wings off the grill. I got them plated up. Man, are these looking awesome or what? I got some cucumber wedges and some blue cheese dressing. But these wings are amazing. You want a bite, don't you? Come on, get you some. Come on. If you don't make these, you're crazy. These are awesome. I already tried one in the house, but you know, just to be sure, let me get another one. Here we go. And so my cucumber also. I'll tell you what, these are not too spicy, which is good. They're delicious, they really are. They're smoky and they're sweet. A little tiny spice from the chili, so if you don't like spicy, I think you would like these, because they're really not spicy. But they are delicious, have a delicious flavor. And you get a little hint of that Gator shake in there, that citrus flavor. Oh man, it's so good. And then the tartness of the blue cheese. I know if you like ranch, use some ranch or don't use anything on the side. Usually you eat that just to kind of cut the heat anyway, but you don't need it with this. I'll tell you what, these are pretty damn good wings. I'm about to go in the house and chow down and watch my Buckeyes. So I'll tell you what, if you get a chance to make these, give it a shot. And I want to thank Papa Texas. Papa Texas is the one that turned me on to Uncle Steve's Shake. So go check out Papa Texas. Go check out Uncle Steve's Shake. And make you some sweet chili Parmesan wings. Oh, they're so good. I love Parmesan on anything. But anyway, I know it's been a while since I put a video out. Just want to say it's been about a month. Just trying to recreate some things. Lost one of my good friends and just trying to get back into it. So I appreciate everybody's support. Everybody's checked on me, and just want to let you know Barbecue Pit Dog is here to stay. May not be that consistent, but we're here to stay. All right. And sorry, no taste test with Duke on this one. You know, I can't give him chicken wings, but I'll tell you what, probably on the next one he'll be able to get a taste test. So until next time, y'all take care. See ya.
I've been gone too long. I've been gone too long. I've been gone too long. Hey baby, I've been gone. I've been gone for gone. It feels sometimes like I'm never getting home.